Hi, hello and welcome to another Canva t-shirt design tutorial with your boy David Oisamuji. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. As you can see, this is my YouTube page. So please, if you've not subscribed, please I will advise you subscribe, and please let me advise and beg you from the beginning, don't click out of this video. Please watch this video to the very end. If you clicked on it to learn how to design t-shirt that sell, please I would advise you watch it to the very end. As you can see, I have other series. I have 30 episodes up already, so please watch, go through them and enjoy yourself. But without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to this and let's design for episode 31. So to start with, I'm opening Canva. Canva is an online design tool you can use. It has a paid and free version. For this design, I'm going to be using the free version, so I advise you follow me to the end. So you click on create new design, custom design. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel, not inch, not millimeter, not centimeter, pixel. That's px. Then create. So it's going to open. It's not supposed to take much of your time at all. So now you can see it's opening. So the next step is for me to upload our design. So I just click on upload. As you can see, these are other designs I've used in my past videos. They are saved here once you've uploaded them the first time, as long as you are logged in. So I'll upload this new one. Go to downloads and just find my new design, my new element which I want to use for this design. Yes, this is it. So it's going to load. As you can see, it's loading. Immediately it's done loading, all I have to do is to click on it for it to appear here. So I think it's done loading, so I'll just click on it. As you can see, it has appeared on my shirt. So you can decide to leave it like this, or just add a little bit of text, which I'm going to do. Just add a little bit of text. Just gonna add a little bit of text. So in this one, come to text, just look for a good font. Let me look for something. I want something fancy, just to showcase the dinosaur. Something fancy. Maybe I should use this. So you can see it has appeared here, but it's quite small, so I'll just over my mouse to this edge, left mouse click button, drag outward to make it bigger. As you can see, it's grouped. So to ungroup, I'll just come to ungroup, click outside here, click on this, have a happy whatever is written there. So I'll just delete this, and on this now I'll just double tap to highlight all. Then I'll put in my word break out. So that's it. So now you can see it has gone to a different line, and I want it on a straight line. So I'll just come over here and increase this. As you can see, just reduce the space here. So now it says breakout. So I'll just increase this to make it bigger. So to do that, over my mouse to this edge and do my left mouse click button again and drag. So now I'm okay with that. Now to center in the middle, you just have to move this till you get that. As you can see, it's in the middle now. So now we'll have that breakout. I can decide to leave this as black or green. Let me see if I make it green, what happens. So to change the color, all I have to do is come over here and just look for green. Let me see if I can get a darker shade of green. Okay. just over. So okay, I was trying to get it close to this as much as possible, so let me see if I can do that. Okay, I think we're close. Yeah, we are close. So that's just it. So I have it breakout. So this is designed. The next step will be to download it. This is just the first step of 3, so please I would advise you follow me to the very end. I advise you follow me to the very end so that you don't miss any part of this video. The next 2 parts are very important. Please follow me to the end if you are not following me. This is a Canva t-shirt design tutorial. Don't miss any bit of it. So now we are using a free version, so it will come with the white background as you can see here. It's definitely going to come with background. So just click on this down arrow to download. Always downloading PNG to get a very good quality. As you can see, I can't download transparent version because I'm doing the free version, so I can't download the transparent version. So now we can download transparent background. As you can see, you need to have the paid version to have a transparent background. So if you want the link, just let me know in the comment and I'll definitely send it to you. Just let me know in the comment and I will definitely send it to you. So now we'll just download this with the white background. As you can see, we are preparing our downloads. So it's preparing the download. Once it's done preparing, you get it here. As you can see, it's downloading now. As you can see, it's super high quality, 3 MB. So now the next step which I want you to follow is the step for those who can't pay for Canva Pro at the moment. But if you can afford Canva Pro, first of all, you get the free 1 month from me if you request the link in the comment. Then the second month is just about $12, so if you can avoid that, that's super cool. But if you can't avoid that, let me show you this next trick. The next trick is to show folder. The next trick is me using Photoshop. So if you know how to use Photoshop, then you are good to go. But if you don't know how to use Photoshop, you can download Photoshop and just follow the process. I'll click on open with Photoshop. So it's going to open with Photoshop. This step is going to help me remove the background. It's going to help me remove the background from the design. As you can see, it's going to appear in a white background. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, there's a white background, and with this means if you transfer it on a white shirt, on a black shirt, you're going to have this border. So it's really going to look good on a white shirt, and we don't want that. So to eradicate that, all I have to do is to come over here, click on this folded paper, create new, come back here on my design layer. As you can see, this is my design layer. So now I'll come to the magic word tool. That's this tool, magic word tool. Click on it and just click on the white background. It's going to highlight it. Now I'll just click on delete. As you can see, the white background is all out now. But if you take a closer look, we still have some extras. As you can see, still have some extras in the breakout. So just click on it to remove that. Click to remove that. Remove that. So I'll just do that for everything. As you can see, it takes much time, but it's free to do that if you already have what do you call it, Photoshop is super free. It's free to do that. You don't need to stress yourself with that. You can do that. So here you go. Now I'm happy with my design. All I have to do now is just save it. All I have to do now, it didn't take me time, that's because I'm used to it. It will take you time if you're not used to it. So that's the process to remove the background. As you can see, now I have my design without the white background. So all I have to save it as now is do breakout, okay, picture. I'll save it as PNG because I don't want the white background, so I'll just save it as PNG. Save it. So it's saving. So it's saving. As you can see, once it's done saving, Then I'll move over to the final step, which is likewise very important, and I want you to watch it. Please watch it, it's very important. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. I really appreciate you. Thanks for the last video. The last video got a lot of love, so please, if you enjoyed this video and it did well, please give it a lot of likes. If I did well on this video, please subscribe. Most of my viewers are non-subscribers. 90% of my viewers are non-subscribers. Thanks for my subscribers. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, please, I advise you to subscribe if you are watching this video. Thank you. Let's go to the final step. That'll come to pictures, mockup, and I'll just open this mockup. Okay, no, this is not the one I want, so I'll just go back. Female mockup. Okay, as you can see, to get this mockup, all you have to do is visit freepik.com. Always give credit, so I got this from freepik.com. So just go over to freepik.com, then step in this sorry about that, in the search bar just type in t-shirt mockup. You get that. So now, without wasting much of your time, all I have to do is over my mouse to this design here, and I'll just right click. I'll go to design here. It's going to open this, so I'll just double tap on this, delete this design, and bring in my new design, which is breakout. This is it. So this is it, breakout. I'll just drag it into this layer. As you can see, I've dragged it into this layer. I'll just reduce it a bit. You can see, move it up a little, press enter, then I'll save it. So now if I go back to my shirt, you can see I have it on my shirt. It says breakout, so super cool. As you can see, if you notice, there was a little, you can see there's still white in this area which I missed out totally. So I'll just go back to my magic tool, select that. Okay, that is out now. So I'll just save this, just save as PNG here. So just wait for it to save so that I can reapply this to my full t-shirts with the mockup. They sell more. This is some things I'll talk about in my paid course when it's out, but I'm sure this free part of it, you enjoyed it, it will help you. So now, once your design is set and ready like this, all you have to do is just go to site like Teespring, Redbubble is my favorite. Just go to Redbubble, upload your design, make as much design as possible. That is the beauty of the game, is so many design. Put out so many design. This increases your chances of making sales. Just put out so many designs. So I'll delete this and just bring in the new one. So I'll bring in this new one. So now reduce it again. So to do that, over my mouse to this edge, press 3 button, Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button, and I'll just reduce this, press enter, move this up a bit, then now save it, just save, and now go back to my shirt. As you can see, I think it's still saving. Okay, so now we have it on our shirt. So I'm okay with the style. So to change I can change the color if I want, just by moving. I can just change the color. To anything I want. If I want a black, I'll change it to a black. So just keep doing that. Just keep doing that. But I think I'm okay with this. So I'll just save it. Just save it, press OK. Then I'll save, and that is it. Please, if you want to watch more, click to your right, there's a playlist. Follow those playlists, watch those videos in those playlists, and you'll be super good in t-shirt design. Thank you for watching this, and see you on tomorrow's video. Have a nice day. Peace.